Today's an exciting day, guys. We got the CB500 behind me here. We're gonna try and get it running. It's been sitting since probably 2015, so we're gonna suck all that old fuel out of the gas tank, put some fresh gas in it, charge the battery, do whatever else we gotta do to get it going. It shouldn't take much. Honestly, this thing's only got about 600 kilometers on it, so I can't wait to hear this thing run. I've heard that these things sound pretty good, so I'm really excited. It's gonna give me some more enthusiasm for this build. Can't wait.
I had to go to a wrecker and buy a new cluster and the jumper harness that goes from the main harness all the way up to the cluster because the rest of it was damaged in the accident.
Thanks for watching, guys. Now that we know the CB's running, we're gonna pull the motor next video and pull the wiring harness, pull the exhaust, all the parts that we need basically, and then start mocking it up. We'll chop the frame on the CRF, see what we need to do there, see what kind of welding we need, and start getting the wiring harness and all that sorted out. So we got a lot of work ahead of us, so stay tuned. And this is probably gonna be, 10 videos, I would say, this series. We're gonna do one, basically did one of the CRF engine coming out. We're gonna do the one of this thing getting running, pull the motor on this, all the welding and chopping and wiring harness and all that stuff we got to do on the CRF. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot. I'm looking forward to it. I really want to get this thing done for the summer because I want to do a couple bike trips. So yeah, and then once this is all done, I'm gonna probably sell my KLX300 to my brother. And yeah, who knows, maybe me and him will end up doing some trips. He hasn't really ridden before, so yeah, once he gets up and going on that thing, we can do some trips and yeah, show you some videos of that too.